Today on Dream Yards, an equestrian paradise right outside this family's back door. Hi everybody, my name's Jane Waldrop. I've been a professional landscape designer in Augusta, Georgia for over 30 years, and I've helped thousands of clients create their very own dream yards. Whether its main feature was a decked out cooking area, beautiful flower or water garden, an interactive play space, or simple breathtaking views, each reflected its owner's personalities and how they chose to enjoy life outdoors. So join me today as we visit some spectacular dream yards across the Southeast. In this episode, we're paying a visit to Aiken, South Carolina. Although historically known as the winter home of late 19th century equestrians, Aiken was actually established as a railroad town in 1835 to serve as the conclusion of the South Carolina Canal and Railroad Company's line from Charleston to the Savannah River. Today, however, this western South Carolina city has returned to its original distinction as the preeminent mecca for all things horse racing, polo, and steeplechase, and of course, the epitome of equestrian living at its finest. A quick 10-mile drive from Aiken's downtown square landed us at the Hulbert residence in the sought-after PreRuns Plantation equestrian community.
Howdy, my name is Steve Hulbert. My wife and I, Kathy, live here at the farm, YOLO Farm, in Aiken, South Carolina. PreRuns Plantation is 2,400 acres. It's got 310 lots. Every morning we get up and go feed the horses and then walk up to take a couple-mile walk every morning, be outside with the birds and the things we love.
From the outset of our discussions, Steve pointed out the integral role his wife Kathy played in the design and execution of their dream yard.
If you really want to know the truth, we built this farm for the #1 horse, Marcus. Now, the others don't want to hear that. But Kath and Marcus lived 20 years together, right through a gold medal in dressage. We turned around and said, we're going to let this guy retire in style. So we built YOLO.
Above all else, the Hulbert's decision to call Aiken and PreRuns home was driven by a passion to live alongside their horses and lead an active lifestyle, both in a rural setting.
There's 200 homes built out of the 310 lots, but there's over 350 horses. And I think that's the important population count for all of us.
When asked about his favorite property elements and features, Steve's answer didn't come as a surprise.
So if I had to choose one feature that I like most about our space in our life here is the outdoors, that we spend a good 60, 70, 80% of our time in the fresh air and with animals.
Finally, Steve recognized the time and effort his landscape maintenance team has poured into making YOLO Farm the one-of-a-kind place he and Kathy have always dreamed of calling home.
Exmark products are used for maintenance and keeping this place look like it does. I take care of the pastures myself on Exmark product, and Jonathan Costello makes this place look the way it does as my maintenance man, and we all use Exmark.
Now that you've had a taste, what will your dream yard look like? Until next time, be well and enjoy your outdoor space.